IceMaker replacement is this simple. Get your wire harness, Whirlpool refrigerator, take it there. See that tab back there? Have to pull that tab. Until the tab is out. Pull it forward. Make sure your harness don't get very simple. IceMaker comes off in 3 screws. Here. Those 2. Spin the auger. There. A little bit more. All right. Harness. Pull your harness out. Okay, IceMaker's off in 3 easy steps. Be sure to release the wire harness, which is here. Release the screws. Take the IceMaker off. Remove the sensor. And then remove the back IceMaker sensor. Me personally, I would always replace the wire harness. Always. Because the wire harness has the main ice sensor on it. That's the main ice sensor right there. I would always replace the wire harness when I'm replacing one of these IceMakers. Always. All right, wire harness out. This is the old wire harness. Only reason why you replace this whole wire harness assembly is because of this one ice sensor. That's the only reason why you replace this entire thing here. It's for the one ice sensor. All right, we did it again. It's back together. Summer coming up. Folks need their ice. We replace the wire harness. Real technicians. We do it right, folks. We do it right all day, every day.